Welcome to your pre-built website template guide. Congratulations on purchasing your pre-built website template. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Check your email after making your purchase. An invitation email will be set up to be sent to you within 24 hours. If you can't find it in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. The email will be from Squarespace, and the subject line will look like Contributor Invitation. Step 2. Accept the invitation. Once you find the email, click on the invitation link. This will direct you to the Squarespace website. If you haven't logged in yet, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Step 3. Access your template. After logging in, you will see your purchased template ready for you to customize and make your own.